Who said you need to show your face to make money on YouTube? I thought the same thing 30 days ago. So I decided to run an experiment. Create a completely automated channel. No on-screen presence, no professional editors, no industry connections. Just me, my laptop, and the curiosity to see if this actually works. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what worked, what completely flopped, and most importantly, how much money I made in 30 days, running a completely faceless channel. Look, most people think you need to be charismatic to succeed on YouTube. You need professional equipment. You need Hollywood-level editing. That's just not true. What YouTube actually cares about is content that keeps people watching. It doesn't care if it's you talking or an automated voiceover. It doesn't care if you're using animations or clip compilations. The only thing that matters is, are people still watching or are they leaving? That's what I discovered. But here's the thing. Almost every faceless channel you see uses the same generic strategy. Over and over, the same playbook, which means opportunity for us. So here's what I did in the first 3 days. First, I chose my niche. And this is where most people mess up. They pick niches that are either oversaturated or way too small. I found the sweet spot: business stories and entrepreneurship. Why? Because people never get tired of learning how others made money. It's hypnotic. It's aspirational. Second, I got my tools. I used AI voice generation software, automated editing tools, and most importantly, a system to automate almost the entire production process. I spent less than $100 on tools. That's it. Third, I created my first video. Nothing fancy. 5 minutes about an entrepreneur who went from zero to millionaire. AI-generated narration, visuals, simple animations and royalty-free clip compilations, uploaded, sent out, waiting. The first week was depressing. 0 views. Well, not exactly 0. I got 23. Probably my friends being nice. But here's the thing. I didn't quit. Instead, I did something most creators don't do. I analyzed, changed the title, made the thumbnail more clickable, adjusted the keywords, and I just kept uploading video after video after video. By day 7, one video took off. 1,200 views in a single day. Not viral by YouTube standards, but enough. Enough to see the system actually worked. Enough to believe this was possible. The next 2 weeks is where the magic happened. Because here's the secret nobody tells you. YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection, consistency. I published 5 videos every week. 5. Some got 100 views, others hit 10,000. But the algorithm noticed I was active, I was posting, I was showing up. And then on day 19, I published a video called How Money Changed Me. And this video? 30,000 views in the first week. It wasn't my best produced content technically, but it resonated because it was about psychology. It was about money. It was about transformation. At that point, I had 4,600 subscribers. My CPM was around $3. I was making roughly $14 per 1,000 views. Do the math. 30,000 views times $14. I made $420 off that single video alone. But now comes the part where I need to be real with you. The money I made was real. $450 in 30 days. But that's not the point of the story. The point is that faceless YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business. A business that requires dedication. I treated this like a full-time job. Strategy. I didn't just upload random videos. I had a plan. Patience. Most faceless channels take 3 to 6 months to really take off. Evolution. I was constantly testing new ideas, new angles, new video structures. What I learned is that successful faceless channels don't focus on making money. They focus on solving a problem, on entertaining, on educating. And when you do that consistently, the money follows as a side effect. If you're thinking about doing this, here's what you need to know. Number 1, your first month will suck. Accept it. Prepare yourself mentally. Because when nobody's watching, when you're doing this alone in your room, it's easy to give up. Number 2, YouTube's algorithm favors new channels. Use that. Leverage that early window. Number 3, narration matters. A lot. Invest in good text-to-speech AI, or even hire someone to narrate. The difference is huge. Number 4, consistency beats perfection. Always. And number 5, your niche needs actual demand. Pick something people genuinely want to learn about, not something you think is trendy. So is it possible to make money automating YouTube without showing your face? Absolutely. Is it easy? No. Is it worth it? That depends on you. If you're looking for real passive income, if you're willing to work those first few months without earnings, if you actually believe in your content, then yeah, it's totally worth it. If you do this, I'd love to hear your results in the comments. And if you want me to dive deeper into any specific part of this process, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.